Today I have another X700 video for you guys. So if you see in front of you, I have here a set of weights that are not John Deere. These, as I understand, are old Cub Cadet or IH weights. So you can see they have a hole in the center of them. And what I'm going to try to do today is put these on the 758. Let's move in a little closer and I'll explain what I'm going to try to do. So what I want to do here is, being as they have that hole in them, I decided, okay, that'll fit over the hub. And I'm going to try to use these as an inner wheel weight for the 758. Why you would want to do this, I don't know. You can get more weight in your tires by actually loading them. You can use the 72 or 75 pound starter weights. There's many different ways you can do this with John Deere weights. But I thought it'd be kind of neat to have an inner wheel weight. I think I had seen it at some point before. Somebody had done it, but they were using a actual John Deere 50-pound wheel weight, and I guess they had it milled out. So that worked and it was cool. My concern though is, as you can see here, there is, let's see, right here, this little attachment point. It's only on that side of the K90 transaxle. So that's kind of what the idea of this video is going to be, of whether or not it'll even work in that location. And if it doesn't, no big deal. I'll either put these on the outside or I'll probably end up using them on my 210. But we're going to see if it fits on here. And then I'm going to have a second part of the video that's going to be actually restoring these weights. I'm going to try to get all the paint off, get them cleaned up good, get whatever corrosion I can off of them, and then paint them up, of course, John Deere yellow, which, I don't know, might be bad juju doing it to a different brand. I don't know, somebody out there will probably be a little upset, but end of the day, I want it to look good, and let's see what we can make happen. So if you've been watching before, you may know that I do this kind of a stud setup on my wheels for the wheel weights. And I pretty much just left these on there because pretty much anytime I have these tires on, I'm going to put wheel weights on to, you know, help out with the traction and everything, get more weight on the tires. But what I need to do first is get these, I don't know, probably not so much off, but I'm going to change the position of them. That way I have some of the threads sticking out the back here. That way I'll just put the weight on there. We'll get it on the axle, see if it, you know, fits on there and everything. And at that point, if it does, I have some new all thread that I'm going to cut for each of those spots, and we'll get that long enough to fit the inner weight along with 2 outer weights. So I need to get these, I guess, more or less taken off. All fastened on for now. I'm only doing 2. It takes a while to do. And this isn't necessary because all I'm trying to do is a fit check. Moment of truth, we gotta see if this will go over. It looks like it'll be pretty tight, but I think we'll be good. Now, if I can do this without destroying this hub, because of course this tire weighs a good bit now, and I gotta get it through there. Looks good so far. Just gotta get it up onto the hub. And there you have it. Looks like, let's see if I lift this up just a bit more. That way both wheels are off the ground. It moves freely. It ain't touching anywhere. Obviously my studs are a bit long, but I'm gonna cut new ones for sure. That'll be able to be, you know, just long enough that I need, nothing longer. But yeah, inner wheel weight on the newest 700 series with this K90. I'm sure the K91s, K92s, all gonna be similar. So you would also be able to do something like this. And the other side doesn't have this piece in here that I'm worried about. So I don't think we're gonna have any issue over there. It just has these kind of strengthening pieces of structure there. So, but that of course isn't any issue. So I'm just glad there's no rubbing there. I can, you know, I can almost get a finger between it. So there's pretty good room there. Nothing to worry about. I'm gonna end this video here. I just wanted to be short and quick. That way we could get to the point. You could see that these do in fact fit. So cool, glad I didn't waste my money. Of course, it was gonna be, you know, used anyway. I could throw them on the 210 or outside weight of this, whatever, it doesn't matter. But simple way to add another, I weighted at 24 pounds. They're probably marketed as 25 pound, but you know, you can add 24 pounds to the inside of your wheels. So is it a lot? Not really, but it's something, and I guess it's just something cool. So appreciate you watching. Of course, stay tuned. I'm gonna try to, you know, pretty these things up a bit, and yeah, maybe we'll show what it looks like on there when it's all done. Maybe we'll wait till I put these tires back on for the season. We'll see. I don't know. Maybe we'll finish them up real nice and then leave the suspense for when I put these tires back on for the season. I think that'll probably be good. So yeah, other than that, if you have any questions or anything, I will probably put, well, I'll just put somewhere on the screen here. I'll put how long the stud needed to be for that. If you are, you know, wanting to do just the inner weight, or if you are wanting to, you know, do a single or a dual weight setup with these included. I'll put the stud length in there. That way you kind of know about how much material you need to get and how long you need to cut them for. So yeah, other than that, thanks for watching. Have a good one.